Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the new Opel Corsa Electric, the latest addition to Opel's electric vehicle lineup. The Opel Corsa Electric is a compact electric car that offers a range of up to 330 kilometers on a single charge. It comes with a 50 kilowatt-hour battery and a 100 kilowatts electric motor that delivers instant torque and a smooth driving experience. Let's start with the exterior. The Opel Corsa Electric has a sleek and modern design that's sure to turn heads. It features a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sporty rear spoiler. The car is available in a range of colors, including metallic blue, black, and white. Moving on to the interior, the Opel Corsa Electric offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that can accommodate up to 5 passengers. The car comes with a range of features, including a 7-inch touchscreen display, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium sound system. Now, let's talk about performance. The Opel Corsa Electric can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars in its class. The car also comes with a range of driving modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport, which allow you to customize your driving experience. One of the biggest concerns with electric cars is charging. However, the Opel Corsa Electric comes with a range of charging options, including a standard 7.4 kilowatts AC charger that can fully charge the car in around 7.5 hours. The car also supports fast charging, which can charge the battery up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Overall, the Opel Corsa Electric is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish, practical, and eco-friendly car. With its impressive range, fast charging, and advanced features, it's sure to be a hit with electric car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.